Hi guys, this is actually the last part of your conclusion web where you work on the thinking for your conclusions before you write it out. So the last thing we need to do is evaluate our hypothesis. So you're going to actually go back and find your hypothesis. You wrote it last year. It was last semester you wrote it in your packet. It's on the last page of the Friday packet. It's also in your actual design lab that you turned in um, before break. So where you wrote your hypothesis, it should be an if then statement. So if race changes from Hispanic to white, then marijuana use, I said would stay the same. Okay, so then marijuana use stays the same in high school seniors. I've worked at mixed schools. I've worked at mostly brown schools. I've worked at a couple different kinds of high schools. I would have said that um, wherever you go, a few kids smoke marijuana, and a lot of kids know a lot of kids that smoke marijuana, but a lot of kids actually aren't smoking it, which is what we see here, right? Like 20% of kids. So everyone, 1 in 5, you probably know someone, but actually not that many kids are smoking marijuana. So what happened here, my percent change? My percent change actually shows my hypothesis is wrong. The race does change marijuana use. Okay, so is my hypothesis supported or not supported? It's not supported. So in this case, I would look at my percent change, look at my relationship. Right, I see that it looks like race changes marijuana use. So my idea that it would not change it is not supported. So my hypothesis is not supported. You only get supported or not supported here. There's no right or wrong because it could be in a different year. My hypothesis is supported. Right? It could be in a different country. My hypothesis is supported. So it's true, right? We are not the end all be all in our one lab for these relationships. Right? We have to do a lot of research over time to figure out the actual theory, put all the evidence and laws and rules together, and come up with an actual theory that explains all of the laws and rules, right? Our hypothesis is our beginning idea, and our hypothesis is our ideas about how it works. But the evidence tells us if our hypothesis is supported or not. So my hypothesis is not supported. My conclusion web is 100% done, and I am ready to go write my conclusion if I choose to. But the major assignment this week is to just make this web.